Hey everyone, I've just got a really quick trick. I don't know, it's more of like a free goodie that I just wanted to make sure that you knew about because it's Friday. And we like free things on Fridays and we like easy things on Fridays. And so I just want to show you something that I just put up on my blog yesterday. And I want to be sure that all of my Facebook watchers can take advantage of this. So if you are like a Pinterest nerd like me, which I totally am a Pinterest nerd. Sorry, Facebook, but I like Pinterest way better than Facebook. Probably because Pinterest is like drama free and it's just like cool ideas. So I would spend hours on Pinterest every day if I had that amount of time, but I don't. Luckily, my job as a blogger though includes needing to be on Pinterest. So there's so many cool ideas for home decor and the farmhouse style, and I am so thankful that being thankful is trendy right now. Like there's so many things like being thankful and grateful and blessed and all these free printables, and I love it because we should be thankful and grateful and blessed and put it all over our house. So I made up for you a free printable that looks like this. It says thankful. I know it's backwards, but it's just, you know, it's got the shiplap background, the nice Joanna Gaines style, gray wood, you know, totally trendy, the nice subtle green leaves with thankful. And so I made this up for you. I made this up for me too. But I'm going to share the link with you. But there is a blog post that if you put your name and email, I will email this document to you so that you can print it out. You can print it out on cardstock or on regular paper. It will go into an 8x10 frame. Or, if you're like me, who I like going to thrift stores, and the whole purpose of going to thrift stores is to find really cheap stuff that I can craft into something else. So, see this cute little frame? It was $1. My friend Linda, she's like my church mom. She pipes in here and makes comments all the time on my blog post, and I love her. And she volunteers at that thrift shop, so she always tells me when something big is going on, and they had like a free clothes blowout last week, and I came home with all sorts of goodies, not just clothes, but all sorts of goodies. And this frame was one of them. And so here's what I did. I printed out my thankful, which comes in an 8x10. But that won't fit my frame that I got for $1, so I cut it so it would fit my frame. And on this back here is foam board. Sorry, I couldn't remember. This is just foam board, but I used foam board because like this is probably only $1 because there's like no back to it and there's no way to hang it and there's like nothing to it. It's just square wood. So I just took the foam board and I glued the thankful on there, and then like I pushed it into the frame, and so now it pops in, and now I have it. And so I have this on my hutch in the kitchen, and I have it next to, I also got these, I got like a set of 6 of these white teacups, and it's so trendy right now to take your succulent plants and to put them in teacups. And so I did that, and I got a set of 6 of these for $1 from the thrift store. And I think this is called Hens and Chicks, but I have this out in one of my flower gardens, and dude, you can pull out like half of it and it grows back so fast and it grows so easily. And I'm actually, for teacher gifts this year, since I got so many of these white mugs, I'm just gonna fill them all with these cute little Hens and Chicks succulent plant and give them as part of teacher gifts. But look how cute this is together. You put this on a shelf, and like totally adorable, right? Like I could even put it on the shelves right behind me. And it's so super cute. And it cost me $25 plus, I don't know, I got 6 of these for $1, so is that like 20 cents for the mug? Not even. Plus like I printed it. I don't know, this cost me like $1 for something super cute. And making your home trendy and fun does not need to be expensive. You do not need to pay full price for everything that's pre-made or pre-set up at Michael's or at Target or at Joann's or at Pier 1 when you can go on Pinterest and come up with the inspiration and you get free printables from people like me and you go to thrift stores and you make your home beautiful at like a third or half or even less than that of the cost. So I'm gonna put the link. Go get your free Thankful printable. Go find, well, this I got at Michael's for $3. This is just a fake grass. Just get some fake grass, get a dollar store frame, done, super cute. So go make your house look lovely and don't spend a fortune, and everyone have a lovely weekend. Bye.